Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the date and time in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on additional settings, then here you can see the option date and time, tap on this one. So to edit or set the date and time in this device, we need to disable this one, set time automatically. First we need to deselect this one, then you can see date and time is enabled for edit. Now you can see the time is 2:20 p.m. You can see 2:20 p.m. Saturday 27 July. Let me show you how to change this one. Tap on time and you can select any time from here. So here I am going to select the time to 8. Okay, now you can see 8:21. The time is 8:21. Again I am going to change the time to 2:21. Now you can see the time is 2:21. So same this way you can change the date also. Tap on the date and you now it's July. So here I am going to change the month to December. Now you can see it's Friday 27 December. So simply in this way you can change the date and time in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.